had to jump it off. There's the mileage. It's charging now. This is what I use for the tensioner. With a 16 millimeter or a 5/8. And it came out of this old tool here. This set right here. See, we had all kinds of sets back in the day. Alright. Once I got those two bolts right, those nuts kind of snug there, I put the other bolt in. The tensioner right beside it there. With the ratchet wrench 15 millimeter. I had to break it loose with a long 15. I'm not sure if I used an angle one or a straight one. But I'll show you the adapter I made to let loose the tensioner. Now I got to wrap it up. Whatever you do, make sure that bolt is all the way out. Because if you don't, it's not right. And now you can tighten up the other two nuts and then move on to the other bolt. So the hardest part was putting those studs in there. I had to put a nut on there at least to hold one up. And then I used a pin punch in one hole while I was starting the other one, holding the pin punch up. And then I get one started and put a nut on to hold it in place, then get the other, take the pin punch out, and then do the other side. It comes out just like that, right through that hole. And it's a bitch. It is no fun. Alright, turn the alternator sideways, pull the pulley out, and that's the way it's got to go back in, just like that. Alright, pull the upper radiator hose out, pull it out. Got the power steering hose. I suck the fluid out with the sucker. Take out the two nuts off the alternator. There's the other one. And then you gotta pull the stud out. E10. You gotta get the tensioner hanging loose. You can see it right there, bolts hanging out. That's the side bolt of the alternator. There it is right there. You get these two top ones out. Peel off to get to the tensioner. Here's the plate. Power steering, water pump, alternator, idler, tensioner, AC, crank. Connected the battery. Just gotta move that fuse box. I don't want the wire to come loose. Pop this cover off here. Then you got your other cover and 10 millimeter bolt. Undo it. Now the system's on. Traverse alternator. The idler's got to come off with the alternator. That's got to move. Cover's got to come off. I took the power off the alternator and shoved it underneath the cover for now. It was underneath this one.